Hello, I'm Tim Klink with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center. Today we've got a 45-foot Veranda coach by Country Coach, and this unit came into us in pretty rough shape. It had the failed 3M shield on the front of the coach itself, so the entire front was all cracked up. We removed that. We did end up doing a bunch of repaint because it had failed paint underneath it and a lot of rock chips, things of that nature. And then we proceeded on with the rest of the coach. So the Veranda over here, which we're going to go ahead and drop that down right now, the Veranda was all de-lammed. So the entire pad, or the bottom of it, was de-lammed. It was originally invented or designed with a carpeted top surface. So that carpeted top surface actually would hold water. Even though it was a marine grade carpeting, it would hold water. So unfortunately, the owner before this one, he bought it the way it was, but this entire deck was all rotted out, de-lammed, hanging as if it was a melon, round on the bottom. And so this is all brand new bottom slide from the frame, inside, outside. And then we did one step further. We did our Under Armour coating, which is a polyurea coating that we spray on the bottom side of coaches. We sealed off the top of the deck. So now, in the event that this is out and it rains, it's not going to hold water. It's completely sealed off as if it was a truck bed coating in the back of a pickup truck. It is an unbelievable coating. So then we, of course, repainted the entire Veranda as well, including the fades, including the color changes. Everything has all been back to original. And then we proceeded on with the rest of the coach with other areas. We had compartment chips, we had some dings and dents. So this coach has been repainted probably right around 90% of it, from the front to the sides. And if you feel this coach compared to other Country coaches, you're going to feel a lot smoother coach. And that's because we do a double or a triple clear coat finish that really gives it a super slick level surface that you see only on high-end coaches. Then going through the coach a little bit further, the customer had a hydronic heating problem. It was an older unit that was installed in the unit that had some problems. It had the Beckett burner in it, and it also had been frozen previously, so the domestic water loop was froze. So we put in a remanufactured hydronic heating system complete with the new Webasto head, and completely did the install, purging of the lines and making it operate as if it was originally designed with that system from the get-go. So we did thermal pane window repairs, we did lock repairs, we did light replacements, we did so many different things of upgrades on this coach because that's what the customer wanted. Because at MasterTech, we are a #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center in Elkhart, Indiana, where we keep you guys on the road. Go ahead and operate the Veranda, Jeff. And that's the way the Veranda works. That's it in a nutshell, guys. So thanks for tuning in. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and all the social media. We appreciate the RV industry. We've been here since 1997 when I started the company. God bless each and every one of you.